Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki has expressed concern over alleged police partiality, saying PDP may not participate in the peace accord signing. Hey, my people, don't be small wege. Don't be small matter now. They say I'm in this gospel election. But before I go bring the main story, come give una go like welcome una, especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As we they giving a back-to-back updates and information, I see they hot. So if today now your first time to join this channel, I beg may you like, subscribe, and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell in case anytime our news drop, now you go be the first to watch. And my people know be small kata they happen in this gospel election. But we're gonna relax. I gotta bring the matter one after the other so they come our way. To all amazing subscribers, I welcome una especially to my wonderful channel. Oh yeah, my people, may we dive into the main story. Edo State Governor Obaseki don't come express concern over alleged police partiality. He don't talk say PDP fit no participate in this peace accord signing. The Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, has hinted that the People Democratic Party may not sign the traditional peace accord on Thursday ahead of the September 21st governorship poll because the Nigeria police responsible for enforcing the accord are already acting in the interest of the rival or progressive Congress. My people don't be small bass bozo. Governor Godwin Obaseki, who spoke when he received the chairman of the National Peace Committee and the former military head of state, General Abdulsalami Abubakar, who was on the courtesy visit to him at Government House, Benin City, ahead of the signing of the peace accord on Thursday, September 12. Obaseki's warning came as the chairman of PDP in Edo State, Dr. Anthony Ezebami, raised the alarm over the alleged deployment of associates of former governor of Rivers State and Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, as resident electoral commissioner in Edo State. Obaseki had in a statement on September 10th, which he personally signed, alleged that since the commencement of the electionary process in Edo State, that the steps taken by the police had shown that they were one-sided. During his interaction with Abubakar, the governor retaliated his worry that the police, under the alleged manipulation of APC, had arrested not less than 10 PDP chieftains perceived to be strong politically opposition to them in the coming election. Governor Godwin Obaseki said those arrested, including the serving chairman of Eastern West Local Government Area, Honorable Collins Ayibogu, was also arrested and weeks into the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. So he stated that upon learning of the council chairman arrest, he reached out to Edo State Commissioner of Police and asked that due process should be followed and that the matter should be handled within the state's jurisdiction. Governor Godwin Obaseki said the directive was floated, directly undermining his authority as Chief Security Officer of Edo State. The governor also stated that the PDP chairman had also written 2 petitions to the Inspector General of Police over the harassment of the party leaders, which has not been attended to. Therefore, Obaseki queried how his party would enter into a peace accord with an umpire who from the onset has shown bias in favor to one of the parties in the election. So he demanded the immediate and unconditional release of the PDP chieftain arrested in the manner he does not understand. He stated that if the PDP leaders were legally arrested, that they should be charged to court in Benin City to answer for whatever infractions they were alleged to have committed. The governor told Abubakar and his team that they are very conversant with the politics of Edo State, that they were here in 2020 and they had a very heated election. Obaseki told Abubakar, say, Abubakar don't already know that this is an off-cycle election and there is a lot of attention because they don't come in 2020. They have already experienced all these things. That unlike the 2020, that he's very worried with the development in the state today. And his party met yesterday. They see him that they feel no sign the agreement, that this is the first time they are witnessing that the person who is supposed to keep and enforce the peace accord is now an active participant in creating a destructive environment. That the opposition party in Edo State, the APC, has always argued that they may not be as popular and they didn't win in the last election, but they promised to use federal mind to determine the outcome of the election. So they thought it's just rhetoric. But in the last 4 weeks, that they have had a situation where from the office of the Inspector General of Police, armed gang policemen have come into Edo State to invade, arrest and take away PDP members. That as he speaks, there are 10 PDP members arrested and detained in Abuja without trial. 2 days ago, Obaseki said that they came to pick up a local government chairman. When he was explaining Ayiwogo arrest, Obaseki said that the chairman was going back home and was attacked and shot at. They reported at the police and he was asked to come and give evidence. That he came and he presented the evidence. That is that Ayiwogo was arrested. As he speak, that Ayiwogo is in Abuja. That even if an offense has been committed in Edo State, why would they not charge the offender and try them here in Edo State? Why would they take them to Abuja? That are the offenses of high treason? That why not charge them to court in Edo State? That the IGP office came in, they issued a warrant to arrest 60 PDP supporters, driving all their leaders into hiding. That his role as a chief security officer of Edo State is being made nonsense of by the IGP. The governor added that he heard somebody was arrested and he called the commissioner to inform him that he said he will call back to him, only to hear that he moved the person to Abuja. So he asked, "Abeg, make una tell me, sir, how can we sign a peace accord in this situation?" Because it clearly shows that what they are saying is that it is going to be a violent election and that they are going to use the forces of coercion and intimidation to win election in those states, whether they like it or not. That is the message. Now that the IGP is in town, he said until everybody arrested is brought back to Edo State and to be tried here in Edo State for whatever offenses they have committed, that they have no confidence that the police will protect them in Edo State during the governorship election. On the part of the PDP chairman, Tony Ezibami stated that the Edo State's Resident Electoral Commission Anugbo Monora was special advisor on land to Wike while he served as governor. The state PDP chairman added that the Edo Commissioner of Police, Nime Edwin Ewo, another close associate of Wike, was deployed to the Edo State barely a month ago. So he stressed that the close link between the two key officials and the minister meant that the election might have been compromised even before it commences. Ezebami explained that they are worried that the election may have been compromised even before it starts. So this is because they are certain that the officials responsible for conducting a free, fair and credible election are close associates of the Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike. That the INEC, the Resident Electoral Commission in Edo State, is Wike's cousin and they serve as special advisor on land to him in Rivers State. So everyone in Nigeria knows the antecedent of Wike and his conduct during the election in Rivers State. So they will not close their eyes and watch him deploy the same tactics in Edo State. The current Edo Commissioner of Police, Nime Edwin Ewo, is also a close associate of Wike. So they believe he would not act in the best interest of Edo people, nor even in the spirit and letter of the Electoral Act. So they are not surprised that the police have been acting arbitrarily in the run-up to the election. They have been after members and leaders of the PDP in the last few weeks, as a regular team has been holding, arresting and whisking PDP leaders away to Abuja in a manner they don't understand. So for them, the precedent has been set and they will not sit and watch this man cause chaos in Edo State in pursuit of personal vendetta. They said they go fight them back. So no need for them to sign peace accord when all these things are happening. And the governor said he's not going to fold his hands to watch all these things happen under his watch. Hey, my people, be small matter. So I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your next. Bye for now.